To write Python programs, we need to download an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook, which is very popular for the data-related projects because it makes data visualization quite easy. However, you can use any other IDE if you prefer. We'll be downloading Anaconda, which gives us access to Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda offers many advantages. It includes Python and Jupyter Notebook, so we don't need to download them separately. Anaconda also comes with many Python libraries pre-installed, so we won't need to install those either. Another great feature of Anaconda is that it offers better management and sharing of a document. Now let's start the process of downloading and installing Anaconda. First, open your browser. I am using Chrome. Search for Anaconda. Click on the first link with the URL www.anaconda.com. At the top, you will see an option for the free download. Click on it. You will need to provide your email and agree to their policies, or you can simply skip the registration. I recommend reading their policies by clicking the C button. After you submit your email or skip the registration, you will be taken to another page where you can choose your operating system. If you are using Windows, click the download button for the Windows. It will take a few minutes to download. Click on the software that you downloaded. Once the downloading is completed, the installation is quite easy, just like installing any other software. Click Next, I agree, and then again Next, Next, and then Install. Once the installation is completed, search for Anaconda on your computer and open it. You will see options for the various softwares and IDEs to write Python programs. Some are already installed and some are available for installation. Find Jupyter Notebook and click the Launch button. This will open Jupyter Notebook. In the main interface of a Jupyter Notebook, you will see all your files. You can upload any data you want to access in your code using the Upload button. When you click New, you get options to create a new folder, file, or terminal. For this tutorial, select Python 3, which creates a notebook where you can write codes. The notebook is like a table where you can write codes in different cells. You can save your code, insert new cell, cut cells, move cells, run the code, stop the code, and more. When you select code, you can write Python codes. If you select heading or markdown, you can write text to explain your code for better understanding. When you click on file, you get an option to download your code in various formats. A shortcut is to press Shift plus Enter to run the code and automatically create a new cell. Multiple cell allows us to divide our code into different parts to make it more readable. That's it for Jupyter Notebook. If you want to use any other IDE, you can. Most Python IDEs are free. You can use online IDEs like a Google Colab, which allows you to access your data from Google Drive. You can search for the Google Colab online. One advantage of a Colab is that it offers free GPU support. So that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.